Hi, we're Alec and Cindy from Sharing the Journey, and we've come over to Bernie Spelt Born, Texas, and we are at Blue Compass RV, and we have gone and looked at a few different RVs. We'll show them to you because we're trying to decide if we want to make the transition from a motorhome to a fifth wheel. Let's go look at some units. So as you all know, that Cindy and I are always looking for the next good thing, and we've talked about when we slow down that we're going to probably end up with a fifth wheel and do like an RV portal. I think we found a fifth wheel that meets that criteria. This is your Grand Design Solitude. I'll get the numbers in a minute. And there's so much storage here. So it's got a place up front for a built-in generator. You've got your solar.
Magnum.
Yeah, you got a Magnum in here. You got a solar. It's already pre-wired for solar. I'm just gonna walk around the outside real quick. Up front, you've got this huge storage right here.
It passes all the way through.
Passes all the way through. Cindy, do you see a number on this? What the model number is? Maybe it's inside.
Is that it?
Yep, there it is. It is a Solitude ST380FL, and wait till you see the inside. So you've got, on the passenger side, you've got a huge slide up front, and you've got a mid slide. You got two awnings up front. You got two awnings to enjoy, speakers outside. What I love about this fifth wheel is all the storage. It's got the bays like a motorhome. Look at all this room. Let me show you from the back. It's got 4 doors on the sides, 2 on either side. See, there's Cindy on the other side. You've got this sliding drawer to get to your stuff. You've got caged walls so that
you don't have to worry about stuff falling in.
Right. And then on the driver's side, here's the 2 doors, and you got 3 slides. The only thing that make this better is if it came in full body paint. And it shows that you have cargo coverage of 2,476 pounds. So you have a lot of extra space left over. As you enter the camper, what I like, now we had to add this on our motorhome, but you've got the pet friendly screen protector. You've got the nice Morrod steps going up. And like some of the Alliances we've seen, there's no carpet, so all the slides have mats that look vinyl mats that look like the floor. But you've got front living, nice kitchen, and then raised bedroom with a dining room in the slide. Cindy, which way do you want to go?
Well, let's stay in the kitchen for a minute,
okay,
because it's a lot to take in. You've got your nice coffee bar here. You've got your control panel here. What I like is in a lot of them, these cabinets go all the way up to the ceiling, and these do not.
Yeah, when we're up top, we can pull that.
So it doesn't make it look so closed off.
Now, is there electricity in the coffee bar?
Yep, there's plugs right here, cable inside right here. I probably would put like a little push light here. Storage. You know, we're all about storage.
I actually think there's more storage in this camper than there's available weight to put it. Got your fuse box down there.
Yep.
Easily accessible. Let me get out of the way over here.
Alright.
Let's start with this huge refrigerator.
Yeah, I don't even know where to start.
It's a Furrion. You got a big freezer door.
And then it's got small little freezer containers.
Another ice maker. Oh, that's all ice maker?
That's got an ice maker and then more freezer
Okay.
area. Wow, that's crazy. How do I even get it?
Double door. I'm in love, y'all.
Wow.
Alright, and then while we're right here, let's look at the
wait
price.
a minute.
Let's
Wait a
look-
minute, wait a minute. This looks like stainless steel,
It's
but
glass.
it looks like it's got a covering.
I believe it's glass.
A glass covering?
Yeah.
I like that.
So here we are. Here the deets. So 2024 Solitude 380 FL. List price $144.14. On sale here at Blue Compass RV for $115,585.
Okay. So you've got a little bit of storage underneath the sink. They got it taped down.
Stainless steel farm sink.
Well, it's got a little bit of a divider in it, which is interesting. I don't think I've ever seen that. You know, they're always changing something.
Convection oven.
Little bit of, oh wow,
Oh, wow,
that
it's
pulls
got a-
out.
So if you put your spices or something up
Yeah.
there, because it's tilted.
That's interesting.
Insignia microwave convection oven. Full residential
Huge.
style with 4 burners.
Oh, I like the pull-out drawers.
And it comes with a trash can where you
And
put
these
your
are
food.
adjustable shelves also.
Yes.
And
Looks like
there's
it's got
Muller.
3 air conditioners. Oh, a half
Oh, a
bath.
half bath. I wasn't expecting that. Were you?
No, medicine cabinet. I thought this is where your washer dryer would be.
I thought it was going to be some more pantry. Decent.
Move out of the way so you can see.
Sorry.
Decent storage in the bathroom.
Not that you need a lot in the half bath. There's a fan in that bathroom too.
So you got a fantastic fan there. You've got one in the kitchen above the stove. Which way do you want to go?
We're going to go up to the living now. Because I want to see up here.
Oh, dry weight on this unit is 14,866 pounds. Oh, let me step back.
So see, I like that you can see from here to there, and there's not a blank wall. There's not a wall there.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're missing a cushion.
Come on, Grand Design, get your stuff together.
Wow, this is great.
We could have a party up here.
I know, right?
So you got one set of theater seats, 2 traditional sofas.
Perfect drawer for remotes.
Right here is your televator. TV comes out of there. Nice big fireplace, lots of storage. It's got cup holders everywhere, and it looks like, oh wow, I wonder what that's for. You can put some storage in there. On your
Oh wow. there's
sofas,
that
you
little-
have storage on the arms for remotes.
on all
There's
of them.
6 of them. I don't got that many remotes.
Wow. Okay, so there's some plugs there.
Right.
There's plugs up here.
No USB. Oh, no. Yes, USB ports.
That's
in
what
the
I
chair.
was looking. It's in the chair. Well,
On this chair, on the theater seating, it's got
has
a USB port on either side.
but I don't see it on this sofa.
And it looks like there are 3 mock air conditioners. There's one here in the living room, one over the kitchen, and ducted heating, ducted air conditioning.
And then they've got more storage here.
With this camper, you'd have to be careful not to overload it. There's so much room to put stuff, but not the weight to carry it. Oh my God.
Alright, wait a minute. You just passed cabinets. This is like for hanging jackets.
Sorry it's so dark, but there are no lights because it's not plugged in.
More hanging. I guess that's just for coats and stuff.
Let me step over here.
Because then there's more. That's hanging, but look.
Oh
Pulls
yeah,
out.
and you've got your modem already in the cabinet
What
wall.
is that? Travel-Fi?
Yeah, that's your.
I've never heard of Travel-Fi.
We use MoFi, and this is also got so you can get to your clothes easier. It's got a smart TV with Roku. And does that top thing lift up? No.
I don't think so.
Alliance has got them on that.
Yep. Well, but it looks like there's a...
That's just fancy. So you got six drawers, another set, another double set. Well, that did.
I know.
Hold on. All right, I take it back. Alliance doesn't have anything on them. The top of this actually slides, so you can hide your valuables, your jewelry, your gold bars, that sort of stuff. I've already shown that.
Yeah, but both of these are for hanging also?
Yes.
No,
Well, no,
this
the bottom
is
one.
for shelves.
Shoes.
Alright.
Now, I don't know how I feel about these doors of glass.
You know, that would be easily changed.
Yeah. So the doors are glass, and they have a
glass
hook,
inserts.
but they're smoked, so you can't see through them. I was scared that you'd be able to see through it.
And this one slides the same way to section it off from the kitchen. Let's see if this,
USB ports on both sides.
let's see if this bed has storage.
It's got
Oh my gosh.
rear storage back there. Those more hideaway storage for valuables.
And
2 drawers. And that thing, I don't know how you get the stuff out the back of it, but that thing goes on for a country mile.
Wow. Okay.
And then both sides, like I said, have USB.
But they do have the little
Input.
end table thing.
Yeah, I like that. And there's a little bit of storage.
Not much.
Not much.
I put my hand in there.
Now I'm going to let
Not much.
Cindy go by me.
Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, look at the huge mirror. I like the 2 sinks. His and hers.
The cabinets go all the way through. They don't have
Yep.
divider walls.
Goes all the way through. That makes putting things in here a lot easier. Plenty of storage. And it doesn't go too far back, which is good. Plenty of room underneath there. And then underneath that sink. Wow.
Now, let me see the shower. It's got a bench. It's got built-in cubbies.
It does not have a skylight.
No, but look at this. You've got a wand. You've got the flowing out the side, and you got a big rain head. Oh, here is above the sink.
It's the fan.
Is the fan. Does not have a fantastic fan. It's just got one of those little cheap fans in it.
You can add that.
Here's your washer dryer connection or linen closet. I would use it as a washer dryer. These shelves come out, so it'd be big enough to put
stackable unit there. Wow. All right.
Gas hot water heater. Now, does it have night and day shades or just?
Well, that's just night shade.
Looks like the bathroom's just got the solid shade.
Hold on. I'm still looking. No, I think it's just got the one shade.
How about the bedrooms? Looks like they've only got the one too.
Yeah, looks like it's only got the night.
Yeah, there's only one thing hanging down to pull.
Yeah. So they only have night shades in this.
I could figure that out. Now, the one thing that concerns me is when you're getting older, because we're looking at when we're not driving 10,000 miles a year, that you've got steps both directions.
It has the ducted air.
Yeah, it said it's got 3 air conditioners and they're all ducted together. So the only thing I see, but it's only 2 steps. And they've got nice
handrails.
Nice solid handrails. I like this.
This is very nice, and the little half bath there really surprised me.
Yeah. So let's look at this. So when this slides in,
there's plenty of room.
So when this slide comes in, if you look at how wide it is, it will come almost all the way to here.
Yes.
This slide come all the way to here. So you cannot get to the bedroom, the bathroom, or any of the kitchen at all. If you come in the living room, this slide looks like it comes past this chair, and so does that.
So no boondocking.
No boondocking, even though it's got a generator area. So you could boondock if you were on BML land and you set it up.
So let's clarify our...
When we travel, we stop at Walmarts and Cracker Barrels and the like.
But as long as this one is, though, we wouldn't be doing that anyway.
Right, and we're looking for putting it on a site, maybe moving every couple of years or every year, once a year.
Right.
Now we move every 3 to 6 months. So this would be doable. This would make a beautiful home.
Yes.
And I like that the appointments are more of an upgrade than some of the campers we've been in the past. Let's go outside and see what the total weight is. I think I've already looked at it, but we'll come back to this. The dry weight is 14,866 pounds, and the length is 41 feet.
Wow, that's long. But it's got the Arctic package.
And it's the wide body, so it's 101 inches wide. Like I think I said earlier in the video, 2,476 pounds of cargo. That includes your propane, your water, and everything you have in this outside storage. I was hoping to see what size propane bottles.